Here we are with this nice breakout going into the earnings after the closing bell, and what we believe is a very, very overbought stock. There's a difference between being overbought and there is a difference between fundamentals. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that an overbought stock going into the earnings, and let me clearly show that the equity is printing at 285.51. It just made a high, 52-week. Look at that high right there, 286.35. That was the low. So we're going into the earnings up about $5.75 going into the after hours earnings report. After hours is going to be very market volatility. Whether it goes up, we're going to be a short seller on the initial spike, like we always do in after hours, and we do it in all the live trading videos. This is live here. This is not Memorex. This is not after the fact. This is a setup here and now. This is what it's about. This is the talent. Hey, the truth speaks for itself. I mean, let us not forget that. So in the after hours, there's going to be quite a knee-jerk and controversy over this stock, because fundamentally food prices have gone extremely high. It's going to be what the profit margins are going to have to say. We are priced to perfection. So when a stock is really overbought, particularly on a weekly, whatever good news could have come out is getting priced in the move already. That's why a lot of people are found so dumbfounded to see the stock down after the report. Just like Apple Computer reports today. Both names have ran up anticipation. And one of the things that we will do in after hours, if it's a good news, an initial spike, we'll take it for a short trade in after hours, get that $2 or $3 drop. If it's a long that we can get hit, we'll get hit and take it to that short entry in after hours. It is an overbought equity that we look at selling short, because we feel that a lot of the good news that Chipotle Mexican Grill has done is getting priced in the name. Now, in market volatility and irrational exuberance could take this thing up to 300 easily, and we have that scenario built in. On the other hand, because we're so overbought on a weekly chart, is that a lot of the good news in the quarter could be built in it, and forward looking is, what is their profit margins? Are they contracting? Are they expanding? What is the head count? Now that we have all-time high prices in food commodities, because we do, is that we're going to find out what these things are made of. As what is the street going to look at? When they're overbought going into the earnings, that's when we look at selling short on the top end of the trade. Doesn't matter if it's at 300, doesn't matter if it's at 296, doesn't matter. And we also look at if there's a quick rapid drop on these Chipotle Mexican Grill and after hours, then we'll be taking it short.